So, okay, fine. See, what I will tell you few things. I will tell you what we will discuss. We will discuss first day trading. What is day trading and how much risk is involved in day trading. Second, we will discuss order types. What are types of order? Which order type you have to choose to place order. Correct. And then you have to go. We will see stop loss rules. How to trade and how to define our stop loss. Next, we will see some risk management, how we have to manage our risk during the trading while a day. Again, we will see some emotion management things, and then we will see correlation between future options and stocks. Fine. So, what I wanted to tell you guys before starting day trading things or before starting the core thing. See, a lot of people have come to stock market and left stock market by losing a lot of money. Okay, so see, uh, I can be simply start without having any sessions. Okay, I can just simply start your tips, your advisory service from tomorrow. That is Monday, right? And give you calls. It's your job to make money or lose money. That's not my duty. My call is working. My call is hitting target. That's fine. My job is done. Okay, I don't have to do anything with you guys personally. Correct. But what, see, that's not the real way to, help people. If I'm taking money, then definitely I should deliver something valuable to you. Correct. So what I wanted to say, a lot of peoples are there who have lost huge, like they have lost lakhs and thousands of money. Correct. In stock market till now, and they are still finding somebody, they are still finding someone who can recover their losses. Okay, so you guys, I'm just here to tell you that how this business works, what is this business is all about. Okay, and how you have to deal with it. That's it. That's only we will see. And I will tell you how to trade on calls. Okay, how you can make your entry, exit, or rest of the thing. Okay, so I will anybody, please tell me somebody. Okay, if you can see my screen. No, no, I'm not asking about the you know I think you are seeing chart as of now, correct? Mm, okay, just give me a second. Now I hope the screen is changed. Okay, great. So what we will see in day trading is what you need to have during trading day during day trading or intraday trading is you need to have some discipline, some patience to trade stocks. Okay, so you don't have to jump over a stock again and again and just book losses over there. If your stock is hitting loss, if you entered in a stock, you think your analysis is wrong, just humbly accept the losses without thinking for a while, like you can't take this much losses, you can't bear this that much losses, and so on. Because a lot of people have lost more than crores in a month, right? And just stock market has nothing to do with your emotions, your financial condition, your emotional condition. Nothing matters to stock market. So it's your money. You have to think, you have to be a wise investor, wise trader. Once if a stock is going down, once stock is going against you, then you have to simply book your loss without thinking for a while. Okay, you don't have to do averaging. Averaging means, let's say you bought some stock at some price. Okay, and after few days, after few time, you are just going to, you after just some time, you are going to add some if it's going against your like a potential direction, and you are going to add some more stock and you are doing average. Let's say you have buy some stock at 110 and it's went to 100 level. Then what you will do, you will buy some more lots and add to that particular stocks and make it average of 105, so that if a stock will reach to 105, you will at least exit at break even. So that's a completely wrong strategy. You have to add stocks only if it's going in your favor. You don't have to add more scripts, or you don't have to add more quantity to your loss making trades. Okay, so always keep that thing in your mind, and you need to be disciplined, you need to be patient, you need to have a proper trading plan. If you don't have trading plan, we have the trading plan, we are giving you tips, we are giving you advisory, then when to enter, when to exit. Just follow that strictly. If you miss that trade means if the stock is already you are seeing the stock after 5 or 10 minutes we give you, and the script is already have achieved its target and it's coming back or it's coming down or it's not in your favor, simply don't jump to that trade. Don't do foolish things. Okay, be very careful. Follow the strict trading plan. Learn to accept the losses, whatever the losses you are having. If the script is going against you, against your like favorable direction, then simply cut your losses, exit it without thinking for a while. You have to treat it as a business. Yes, it's very important. A lot of people are, get confused here, or they ignore these things. They treat as just like they have the money, they come to the market and that's done. That's their job is done. Now they can make the money. That's not how stock market works. It take your time, it take your money, it take your patience. Lot of things it will take for you. Okay, then only you can make money from a stock market. So what you have to do is you have to treat it as a business. Someday you will make loss, someday you will make profit, but at the end of month you will be in profit. Okay, so you need to take care of all these things. If you are in loss, then you should not be emotional, like you will not book the loss until or unless it comes to profit. You don't have to do these things. It's not a get quick rich scheme. It means, like, if you are coming with the stock market or if you are joining some extraordinary advisory service, it doesn't means your all the losses is going to covered in just a week, few months, or few days. Correct. It's going to take some time. It's not like you have added some 1 lakh capital today and the next month it will be 2 lakh. It might be possible, I'm not saying that it's not possible. It's possible, but not for you, not as of now. Okay, you need to learn more, you need to have work more, then it's possible. Okay, so let's see order types. How order type is. Okay, so how many of you know order types? Like what are order types? How many order types are there? Anybody? Please, guys, it would be appreciated if you guys will, just reply quickly. Okay, great. Quite decent people know the order types. See, okay. Okay, so let me just tell you guys this quickly and which order type you have to use. Okay, so order type is basically what type of, how you are going to punch your order, how you are going to send message to the exchange, like how you want to buy, at what price you want to buy, at what price you want to sell. Okay, you have to give some message to the exchange so that you exchange will get your message and it will deduct money from your demat and give stocks to you, to your demat. Okay, so basically there are two type of order. Normal CNC, which is used for cash. CNC stands for cash and carry, and RML stands for normal. So CNC means cash and carry, means if you are buying today, you will carry it forward more, carry it for more than 1 day. Means you can sell it for a week, you can hold it for a week, for 2 days, for 3 days, for 1 month, for 1 year, for 10 years, or as long as you wanted to hold it. Okay. So NRML and CNC are almost same, not actually, these are same. Okay. So what we have to work on, we have to work on the second part, which is intraday and MIS. Intraday MIS, what intraday and MIS do is, intraday means, intraday you are buying a stock same day, you will sell it same day. MIS is marginal intraday square off, which means your broker will square off, if you bought the any script, particular script, the script has to be sold on the same day. Okay, if you'll not sell it same day, your broker will do it. Your broker will do it between 3:30, I mean 3:10 to 3:30. Your broker will sell your script or square of your order from 3:10 to 3:30, anytime in between these. Okay, so few things, we will see bracket and cover order. We bracket or OCO, which is one cancel other, and cover order also. So but before going further, we will see market. What is market order? Market order is basically, market order is basically, once you will put like once you will punch the order, it will buy at immediate available price. Immediate available price, let's say stock is trading at 115 rupees, correct? You are going to punch your market order, and some sellers are sitting at 115.5, correct? So whenever your seller, your quantity meet, your quantity or your punched order meet with some other party who is sitting like on different side of the screen. Okay, so once this order will match, your order will be get executed. Okay, so basically what market orders means, market order is once you will punch the order, it will buy at same available price, whatever the price currently running, it will buy at that particular price. Okay, what limit order means, limit order is basically, limit order is basically, it will, you will give the price. Okay, so like you will say you have to buy this particular script, but not above these level. Okay, let's say the script is trading at 115, but you are giving limit to buy it below 120. Here is the 120 level, so you are giving limit to the market, you are giving limit to the script to buy it below 120. Okay, so if you are script is at 115 and you are going to punch your limit order, then what market will do, what your broker will do, it will send order to the exchange with, like, you have to buy it below 120, means from 115 to 120, whatever the price, wherever the seller is available to sell with your quantity, wherever the your quantity will match with seller, your order will get executed. It can be either 115.5, 116, 17, 18, 19, 20, wherever it may be, but it will not go more than 20. Fine. And the next is stop loss order. Hope, let me know, guys, if anybody have any doubt, any queries, please let me know without any hesitation. Okay, great. No issue. So we will have stop loss market order. Okay, basically it is called SL. This one. SL market order. Okay, so here what happens is it will convert the same market order. It will convert the same market order above some certain price. Okay, you will give the price. Okay, so let's say um, you're giving your punching order at one. Okay, let's say you're punching order at 120. Sorry, 120. Okay, so you are punching order at 120, and what you wanted, script is trading at 1116, and you are punching order, you want to buy that particular stock above 120. Okay, any price above 120 would be fine for you, but any price below 120 is not for you. Okay, so you just wanted to buy it above that particular, above your particular price. So what it will do, it will keep the market order, but it will give a limit. Means it will buy above 120 at any price. Okay, so second is stop limit order. Okay, in limit order, what it will do, it will buy when the stock price crosses that particular price from below. Okay, so let's say if I'm giving a stop limit order, basically stock trading at 116. Okay, you wanted to buy stock at 118 to 119 level. Fine. So what you will do, you will punch your order with SL and limit. Okay, so it will buy above this level, above 118, but below 119. Okay, so this is how SL limit order works. Hope it's clear. Okay, so what we have to use, we will use stop loss limit order. Okay, for our trading system, and we will use either market order. Fine. So when the price, let's say I give you some tips, I give you some calls, like let's say I give you buy Asian Paint at 1821. Okay, and current market price of Asian Paint is above 121. Let's say you can okay, I will tell this to. Okay, once we will move to the chart, I will tell you. Let's say sometime it happens that when I send you calls, the script price is already 1 or 2 points above my level, above my given level. Okay, so I will also tell you how to trade those kind of stocks. Okay, so we will use basically two things: market order and SL limit order, and how these things you have to trade. Let's say when you have to use market order, when you have to use limit order. So I asked you to buy Asian Paint at 1821, 1821 level, and current market price of Asian, when you entered the script in your watch list, you saw that Asian Paint is trading at 1821. Okay, or above that price, 1821.5 or 1821.22. Correct. So what you will do is you will punch market order or limit order here. If you are going to punch limit order, you will you will do. You will punch the script price is 1822. Means it have to, it has to buy below 1822 level. Okay. and if you are going to punch the market order, it will buy wherever the price is. Okay, so I will suggest you guys, when I have to ask you to buy any particular script and it's above the trading price, is above the my given level, what you have to do is you have to punch the market order. Okay, so that your order will execute it automatically. But be careful, stock script price should not be went more than 3 to 4 points. Okay, let's say, I mean, I have given you Asian Paint at 1800 at 21 level, but this price should not be above 800 1823 or 24 level. Okay, so always be careful. Like 2 3 points is fine. If it's 2 3 point above, then fine, you can enter. But still, if it's more than 2 or 3 point or 4 point, then you have to be careful. You don't have to enter on that particular stock. I will also tell you in the same session like how you have to execute those orders also. Okay, so we have done with it order types. Now we will move to stop loss. Yeah, you can wait for it. I will also tell how to trade those stocks. Now we are moving to stop loss. What stop loss you have to keep? As I told you, stop loss is already there on your WhatsApp. Okay, so stop loss is already there, and my stop loss range is always 5 to 8 points. Okay, so stop loss is always there for 5 to 8 points, not more than that. In that case, what you have to do is, let's say you entered some stock at some higher level, some certain, you know, if we take example of Asian Paint, as I told you, like 1821 will be the buy price. But when you enter a script in your watch list, you found that Asian Paint is trading at 1800 at 23 level. Then here, what you have to do is you will keep the stop loss whatever I have given you. Fine. Means let's say from here I have given a stop loss for Asian Paint is 1800, and let's say I have given you 15. Fine. So either, even though you are entering at 8122, your stop loss will also be the same, 8000 1815. It will not change to, like, you can make it 8001 1818 or 19. Correct. So the reason behind this, like, I have given you some stop loss. The reason for giving a stop loss, I have seen something at that particular script, at that particular label, that what quantity is there or what kind of things are there which will which will hold the stock above this particular level. If that's going to break, then simply book your loss and get out of the market, get out of the trade. Okay, you don't have to. One more thing, you guys, if you want to note it down, then you can note it, else you will get the recorded session also. Second thing, if it's going to, in stop loss part, the same thing, you don't have to trade more than 3 or 4 script in a day. Either you are loss making, it's your loss making day. If your loss making day continuously, your all back to back 3 SL is hit, just simply close that day without fighting for the day. Just humbly accept that losses and get out of the market on that particular day. Okay, so you have to strictly follow, you have to follow these things very strictly. Discipline and patience, you need to have it, then only making money is possible. Okay, so don't trade more than 3 to 5 script in a day. If you are profitable, then you can make maximum 5 to 6 trade in a day. But if you are the loss making, don't take more than 3 trades. Okay, so be careful on these things. Okay, and this is the stop loss part done. Okay, next we will see correlation in FNO. Correct. So correlation in FNO, basically my analysis is done on cash. I trade in future. That's why I give you calls for the future. Okay. So if you have less capital, if you wanted to trade, you can just simply add. If I have given you stock of, like, let's say I have given you some stock which is uh, let's say I'm giving you Lupin. Okay. So I have given you Lupin means it's Lupin future. Then what you will do? You will add future of Lupin. Okay, and you will add also cash segment of Lupin. Okay, and you will keep eye both on these two scripts. When my script is active, you can simply punch order. But in future, in cash script, you will book a small profit. Small profit, like you will not go more than 3 to 5 points. Okay, so you have to be careful on these things. Okay, next, what I will do, one more thing I wanted to tell you in this stop loss rule, which is you have to keep your stop loss very strict. Let's say if once the script is moved by more than 3 point, you have to simply trail your stop loss cost to cost. Moved by 3 to 5 points. So trail your SL cost to cost means where you have entered. Let's say if I talk about Asian Paint, uh, my entry price was 1821. Okay. Yes, it's always future. All the script I'm giving, it's always future. Okay. Sometimes SL is hit and then it goes back from there towards the target. How to tackle that? I will also tell that. Okay. So as of now, we are taking Asian Paint. Asian Paint, my stop loss is 1815. My is 1826. Let's say 26 or 27. But once my script is moved from 1821 to 1823 or 24, just above 3 point, I will simply trail my stop loss to cost to cost. Okay, and I will wait for the next target once my stock will reach to 1826 or 27. Correct. If I'm low risk trader, if I have a small amount, I mean a small capital, I will book my profit at first target. If I have less capital, if I have less capital, I will simply book my targeted. I will trail my SL and keep running my trades. Okay. So next we are moving to yes. If someone is asking, any script given, it means always future. Yes, any script I'm giving, it's always future. If you wanted to trade in cash, just add future stocks and cash stocks both. Okay, and after adding both these two stocks, you just simply keep eye on those stocks. Like once it's moving, just enter to the trade. Once it's active in future level, enter to the cash level. After entering cash level, you don't have to trade for more than 3 to 5 points. Okay, because once the stock will start retracement in cash segment, then it will start retracement in future. First retracement is start in cash, then it will start in future. Okay, so you might get trapped. So be careful on these things. Okay, so we have done with correlation in future and cash. Fine. Now we will move to the chart and just tell me, guys. Okay, you guys don't tell me. Let me select a stock. Let's say TCS. TCS was a bad stock for the day because some people have entered that TCS and booked some losses. So yes, here it is. Where I gave you the TCS is actually I gave TCS at 2286 level. Entry price was this one. Okay. Who is drawing? Please don't draw it. Here my entry was correct. So I gave the TCS where it is TCS at 921 means I gave the stock at somewhere at this candle. It went high till 2086. So it was active. Once it went down, my stop loss was 2000. Um, Sorry, where it is? Is it the other day or same day? Just give me a second, guys. TCS. I'm not getting TCS, guys. I think it's somewhere I'm not able to find it. So chart is not visible. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So now, okay. So I gave the TCS here at 2,800, 2,200 at 86, and TCS suddenly fell. Let's say my stop loss was 2,080. Okay, 2,080, 280 or 279. Okay, so I'm assuming my stop loss is 2,079, and I'll mark it here. Fine. So 2086 target or 2092, 2310 was its okay, second target. Okay, yeah, Nikhil, can you tell me the time at what time I give you the TCS? Please, 920. Okay, I got it. 920 and 92 was the target, and stop loss was not given. Stop loss was given on the paid group. Fine. Stop loss is given. Guys, can somebody tell me stop loss, please? Hurry up. Okay, 78 was the stop loss. Fine. So I'm dragging it to 78 level. Fine. So 78 was my target, and 86 was my entry price. My 92 was my first target. Okay, and 2310 was my second target. But unfortunately, what happened? The TCS was went up for a while and just immediately reversed it. Okay, so if you guys watching the chart, okay, then it's still fine. But no issue. Don't worry about that. I'm here. So when the SL is hit, just simply get out of the market. Okay, fine. So one more stock, one more script. Can we see it? Muthoot Finance. Okay, my chart. Okay, so we were discussing Muthoot Finance. Okay, so what I was telling you basically, uh, entry was here, exit was somewhere here, but hit is stop loss. We did exit, What you have to do is, once the stock is came here, fine. Once stock came here, hit my stop loss, again back, hit my stop loss again, it's coming back to uh, my entry price. Okay, so what you have to do is, you have to enter when it's coming at least more than 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, fine. So it's not like it hit my stop loss, again coming back, again going hit loss, hit my stop loss, again coming back. You don't have to trace these kind of stocks. Okay, these are really very volatile stock, and you may end up losing all your money. Okay, so you have to avoid these stocks. See, all days are not same. Someday we will make profit, someday we will make loss. You have to accept this fact and you have to move on. Okay, so if my stop loss is hit, my entry here, stop loss is hitted here, again it's coming back, but it's coming at least after 20 to 30 minutes, then we can make our entry. Okay, so we can make our entry after at least 20 to 30 minutes, but if it's coming immediately, then you don't have to trade it. You can ignore that stock. Okay, and usually what I do, see, if we are in loss making day and things are working in my favor, usually I do give again and again, like some other stock, some other script, to cover that loss on the same day, right? But sometimes it doesn't happen, market doesn't support, so I usually avoid those kind of stocks. Okay. Yes, Abhinav, tell me. You're saying something. Okay, so just tell me in chat box, man. I'm saying it. Okay, so hope it's clear how you have to make re-entry. uh, Rest, everybody can hear you? Okay, I think some issue with your side, Abhinav. Please reconnect. Okay, so this is how you can make re-entry. Means if the stock is coming at least 20 to 30 minutes after hitting, after hitting your stop loss, it's after 20 to 30 minutes approaching again your entry point, then you can enter. Else, if it's coming again immediate after hitting your stop loss, then don't enter those stocks. Those days market are really volatile. You may lose a lot more money. Okay, so one more thing I wanted to show you. One of my friend have worked really, really great. I really appreciate that guy who have sent me some Excel sheet of last 1 month trading. Okay, so that's really, wonderful. So I just wanted to tell you, if you trade with patience, if you will, don't be much more greedy, how much you are going to make money. Okay, so okay, till now, anybody have any doubt? Please let me know. Any doubt till now on entry, re-entry, or how you have to book your profit? Like target is already there, you can book. Stop loss is already there. If it's not going, you can exit. And if re-entry only, you can take, at least it's taking 30 minutes to reach you, or giving you a re-entry chance. Else, if it's again just after immediately hitting your stop loss, it's coming to your entry point, then you can simply ignore that. Okay. One doubt about re-entry? Yes, Prince, please tell me. Re-entry after profit, yes, you can, but again, the same rule will be followed. Like if you are going to make re-entry, means you have to keep your quantity very light. Means as much as low quantity you can keep is the most important. Okay, and again, your stop loss will be very small. One more thing I wanted to tell you about managing your capital and managing your money is this one. Let's say Tell me, guys, what capital you have. It will help me to take average capital for everybody. Just hurry up. Everybody, tell me honestly. Tell what capital you have. Okay, okay, okay. Rest, I think nine more people are also there. Okay, okay. Please, everybody. Okay, okay, great. So, net on an average, I can take 50,000. Let's say 50,000 everybody is having. Okay, so at least 50,000 everybody is having. So what you have to do is you will enter just one lot at a time. One lot, one script. Okay. So if some script is moving very rapidly, then you don't need to enter like two to three lot or five lot in just one script. Okay, it's really dangerous, guys. If it hit its stop loss, you are going to out of market, and you are going to give a big loss to the market on single script. Okay, so you have to avoid these things. You have to enter only one lot at one at a time at one script. Okay, and let me show you guys. If you will trade with patience, then how much you can make. Enter only one lot if you are re-entering. Enter only one lot at a time. One lot to only one lot in one script at a time. Correct. After hitting stop loss, now hope it's visible. After hitting stop loss, script should take at least 20 minutes to 30 minutes to approach entry point. Okay, so I have another doubt. This is recording SEBI upfront margin rules. What impact would these have on trader like us? See, SEBI SEBI rule is basically to avoid the retail traders loss of retail traders. SEBI don't want the retail traders to lose more money. Like in margin rule, what happens is like broker gives you margin like 20 times, 30 times. Means on just 50,000 you can trade one or two lot of futures. Correct. So which is dangerous in the sense like if it's hitting stop loss, then it's fine. If it's hitting target, if it hitting target, then it's fine. If it's hitting stop loss, then you are going to lose more and more. So the reason 90% trader lose money, that's why SEBI use this rule to implement like there will be no margin rules. Okay, so some changes in margin rules, that's why these things happen. So what you have to do is it will impact, definitely it will impact. Means if you are buying like a stock, in future in cover or bracket order at 50,000 rupees as of now in margin, right? So at that time it will take some time, and if you will trade with patience, okay, if you trade with patience, if you will trade with a discipline, then definitely you can make 2 3 lakh by, and till the margin CB will implement the margin rule, you can make that money. Okay, and you can continue the same speed at that time. Okay, so if you are starting with 50,000 capital, in 3 4 months you can also make 2 or 2.5 lakh, which will help you to trade 1 lot or 2 lot. Like as of now, with the quantity you are taking, at same time you will also take that same amount of quantity. It means margin will be like you know cancelled. So let me tell you, if I wanted to buy Muthoot Finance, sorry, what amount I need to have, as what amount I need to have if I'm using margin order without sorry, what to say, uh, without margin, if I'm buying, I need to have 3,56,000, correct, to buy one lot of Muthoot Finance. But if again I'm going for MIS, then it will decrease. It's coming, it's coming less than a half amount, right? So it's coming 1,47,000 for the same lot where we were giving 3,54,000, correct? So if I'm going use cover order, then it's going to more less, correct? So it's, I think it's not updated yet, right? Yes, different broker is giving different margin, and Alliance Blue is definitely in the market, and it's providing highest leverage, right? So it's also charging highest brokerage also. Okay, so let it be. So hope you have cleared with SEBI margin rules. Okay, so next, let's take the next question from Abhinav, which is, what is the maximum loss you have incurred till now? I have lost maximum almost 5.5 lakhs in a day, which was in my future trade, and that was loss in my 2019, and reason behind loss was like I was having uncontrolled quantity in sideways market. I was putting again and again orders. Okay, and whenever I was punching orders, market got trapped me. So I lost that much, and that was my highest loss, and that was my great lesson also. Okay, and next, are you a pure price action based trader or indicator based as well? Actually, to be very frank, very honest, I don't, I respect price action. I also trade price action, but I don't rely on indicators. I just take hint from indicators or some other sources like indicators, some market movement, some other rumors, right? So I keep all these things on mind. Rumors means the news coming in market. Okay, okay. So I keep all these things in market, but I trade what the chart, what I see on chart, and how the price is moving, how the price is reacting on certain levels. I trade on that basis only. Okay. So it takes experience, guys. Nothing much. Any more questions, please? Hurry up. So how do you select which stocks to trade? So that's a completely different game, man. Uh, like a lot more things, lot more criteria are there. I can't tell it in just 10 or 5 minutes. Okay. So if I tell you one thing in a like at a time, then that will not beneficial to you. You may lose more than that, because half knowledge is always harmful. So now I'm showing you guys. One of my friend have sent me a you know Excel sheet where he have worked on. Okay, so here it is. What will be the best time you give us leads? See, all my calls will be in morning time from 9:30. I'm sorry, 9:15 to 10:30 or 11. I will complete it before 11. Sir, if you miss call after reading watch list, then shall I avoid to trade? As I told you, if it's just above 2 or 3 point above your level, above the given level, then you can trade it. If it's more than that, just you can simply avoid those trades. Wait for the next call. Or if you missed all the trades on that particular day, just leave it. Don't risk your money. Anything else, please? So here it is, guys. See, sell call at PVR, correct? Sell call at PVR 9:42. Entry was, I think, quite is possible to make entry at 9:20. Target was 9:20. Safe exit 9:20. That guy booked 25, 2000 means 35 as a profit. Fine. And again, like same these things, he have made this much profit, some loss. Okay, let me count how much profitable days and how much loss making days. Will that be fine without taking each and every trade, seeing each and every trade? One, here I got one loss, second loss, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Fine. So here in a month, I got seven losses. Seven losses hit my stop loss, and what I lost almost 55 and 13, 17, 22, 45, 22, 26, and 30. Almost I lost 30 to 33,000. Correct. And what I made after cutting all the profit and losses, he made almost 1,64,000 and 289. Correct. So here he made in 1 month 1,64,000, and almost he needed maximum 50,000 capital. Correct. So I'm not saying you can make also the same amount every month. Is not like same month, right? So on an average, you are getting just 50,000 on your 50K capital. That's also a decent amount, decent profit, isn't it? Don't think like you can make billions in a market, in market just in a month or 2 month or in a year, right? So current statistics is also the same, dear, right? So as you are seeing on Telegram, it's running the same. So you can just keep booking your safe profit. Still, you are able to make 1,64,000. If you have decent capital, you are doing like you know you are taking you are a risky trader. You are just booking at full profit. You can make 3,62,000, right? So that's not the bad amount, right? And I think everybody has the potential to make money from the market, but only, you know, only thing the person need is proper discipline, proper trading plan. Definitely, man. See, anything is possible in the stock market. You won't believe a guy in when the strike happened to the Pakistan was the first um, surgical strike happened. Anybody remember the date? So I think nobody remember the date actually. February 26th. When the not air strike, I'm talking about surgical strike. 28th September. Okay, is it Uri date? The Uri movie. Okay, anyway, so whatever the date it is, let's consider it 28th September. On 28th September, uh, PE. No, no, it's happened to Pakistan. The Modi ji ordered for surgical strike. Our Indian Army, Indian Army, not Indian Air Force, did surgical strike in Pakistan, right? Some mm, Pakistan occupied Kashmir, right? So on that day, what happened is the stock, some put price of some particular stock went from almost, I can say from 0.25 paisa to 180 point. Can you imagine the amount of return the guy have got? So this is the power of a stock market. This doesn't happen daily, right? This comes like 5 years or 10 years, like one day in 5 years or 10 years, right? But I'm talking about the power of a stock market. The stock market has really, great power. Okay, so everybody has the potential to make money, but where the people get lose money, people lose money. It's their discipline and their patience. They lost it. They become greedy. They lost money. Okay, and one more thing I would like to tell about the tips is, see, I'm telling you very frankly, there is no nothing such business kind of things. See, guys, tips has never worked for anyone. Neither I'm suggesting you guys that it will work for you. I will ask you guys to go for some. I'm not saying that take training from me. Learn anything. Learn it from YouTube or any other free resources. If you can learn as much as you can for about the stock market, that will help you in long run. Tips is not going to help you in long run. Let's say I'm giving you any call. Let's say I'm giving you some calls of let's say I'm giving you PVR at 9:42, right? But what happened till then? You will enter script in your watch list. You are going to punch your order. You are filling your order. It will reach to 9:40. Correct. It's already 2 point. 2 point ahead. Like 2 point more near to your target, right? So you are getting only 3 point as a target. Correct. So what you need to do is you need to work on it. You should learn, and rest it's all up to you guys. I'm here. I'm giving tips. You also. I'm giving you, um, you know, whatever you are. And I will try my best to deliver the best I can. Okay. So will you give some clues on how to select particular stock on daily basis? On particular stock on daily basis, just simply mark. Go to the Nifty 50 and check. Go to the Nifty 50 website, check top like top loser, top gainers of the day. Okay, before 10, and mark its top loser, top gainers day high. Okay, and once the breakout is happen, then you can go. How how I select particular stock? That lot more factors are there, dear. It's not a just simple factor. Not there is no like a single strategy. or neither a single parameters that I pick the stock and throw it on Telecom. It's not like that. A lot of different factors are there in my mind, and I know the moment of his stocks. I remember each and every price, script's price. Okay, and I know how those stocks move. So all these things get sum up, and then deliver the best result. Anything more? Guys, please, we are already at 11. Uh, Tell me. Yeah, thanks. See, if I tell you guys, if I tell you like all, what we call polished things, right? If I don't tell you dark side, you will hate me one day, right? If I told you the frankness, you will hate now, but later once you will lose, after losing lot more money, one day you will realize that guy was correct. Okay, any more question, please? Anybody regarding a entry, exit, anything you guys have in your mind? Please let me know. No, sir. We need to strictly stick to your SLN target, right? Exactly. You have to strictly follow this SLN target rule. If it hit, you are out of market. If it's not hit it, you just simply trail your stop loss cost to cost. Cost to cost means where you made your entry and wait for your target, like second target, third target, fourth target. See, I'm telling you when to hold, when to exit on first target. When I told be careful, you have to be very careful. You have to book a small profit wherever you get. When I leave no message, then you have to be okay, fine. You can just simply trail your SL cost to cost and hold it for the first, second, third, fourth target, whatever you may have. Okay, and if you are getting if the market is trending, like market is completely bullish on that particular day, what you can do is on that particular day, you can do just trail your stop loss cost to cost after moving few points and just hold it for like third, fourth, or fifth target. Okay, my target is on Fibonacci base. Okay, so let's say my first target is 5 point, then next target will 8 or 10 point or 20 point, and the fourth target will be 40 or 60 point. Third, fifth target will be on 150 on 200 point. Okay, so this is not going to happen. The stock is not going to move 100 200 points. That's completely illogical. It cannot be rely upon that. But what we can do is we can take 10 to 50, 30 or 40 point. 40 point is moment is possible. You can do it. Yes, if it real stop loss to cost price, how many chances are there? We will not make money. Um, there are 30% chances, 30-40% that you will make no money, but that's 100% guaranteed that you will not going to lose on that particular stock. Okay, so should we sum up today? Should we close? See, I told you, no, if you are a low risky trader, means if you have less capital, like 50,000 or 20,000 or 1 lakh, just book it on first target. Okay. Once you see the decent profit, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, just close your day. Okay. And if you have a decent capital, because one guy have around 3 lakh plus, what he can do is he can trail his stop loss to cost and hold it for the next second, third, fourth target. Okay, once the first target is reached, he can book 50% quantity, and 50% quantity he can hold for the next second or third target. Okay, so any more questions or should we close? Thank you, Abhinav. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Okay, send me your feedback, your queries to WhatsApp if you have any, and I will share some guideline rules. You can go through it, and you have to follow it strictly. Okay, okay, guys. Good night. Bye bye. Thank you, everybody.